Welcome to Solutions for Your IP. This video provides all that you need to know about Pateomatic in a nutshell to convert your scientific subject matter into a patent specification using Pateomatic. First of all, let us know the prerequisites of Pateomatic. Number 1. You need those publications which might have been consulted by you or referred by you while you are designing your technical development. There must be at least 2 to 3 such technical publications which you consider the most related and prior to your technical development. Such technical publications can also be prior patent publications relevant to your technical subject matter. Just make the abstracts of such prior technical publications ready to be copied and pasted in Pateomatic. Of course, you must also cite the reference of these prior technical publications. Number 2. Identification of at least 2 to 3 problem statements or technical limitations. To elaborate, please try to coin out in general what was missing before you designed your new technical development. Such problem statements must be in 1 to 2 sentences only. The problem statements can be in the kind of technical limitations, lack of cost effectiveness, inconvenience to perform a task, or requirement of an alternative technology. Anything substantial related to bring down the present technical hurdles. Please ask the question to yourself, why did you do the technical experiments, and you will automatically start realizing the problem statements required to be provided in Pateomatic. Number 3. You need to provide all the experimental and technical data. Such experimental data must include A. All experiments in a chronological order of sequential requirements. B. Step-by-step procedure of performing each and every experiment. Procedural steps must be explained in detail so that your peers or colleagues may reproduce the experiments themselves without asking your guidance once they read your patent. However, you might refer to a cited procedure widely accepted by your colleagues and which has been already published. So, you might avoid to give the entire procedural steps in such cases. C. Comparative data is always preferable. What would be the results obtained if experiments would have been performed as per the teachings of the prior technical publications that you have cited before? And what significant and better results are obtained in your technical experiments of your technical development? Please refer to our sample Pateomatic videos of each category of technical fields such as biotechnology, chemical, mechanical and electronics, wherein the importance and the ways of presenting the comparative data has been tactfully described. Number 4. From the technical observations and results obtained thereof, you should also identify at least 2 to 3 advantages, those of which are actually the solutions to the above problems identified by you based on the results of your experimental data. Now that you know about the prerequisites of Pateomatic, your attention is invited to the 5 questions needed to be answered in Pateomatic. Number 1. What did you invent? That is, your invention defined into its objective constituent components. Number 2. How does the constituent components of your invention interact and result into a beneficial output or a result? Number 3. What is the basis of your invention? That is, the exploitation of an underlying scientific formula or a scientific theory that enables you to get the beneficial result as claimed by you. Number 4. Technical experimental data as explained just now. Number 5. What are the advantages of your technical development? You are also suggested to look at the detailed explanatory video on Pateomatic in the link provided below. Nonetheless, please note the 3 general rules of Pateomatic. Rule number 1. Specific answers to specific questions. Each questions are very specific in nature and so the answers are deserved to be. Please do not repeat the answers for different questions that comes in Pateomatic. You have guidance answers provided that will easily enable you to analogize what would be the specific answer to the specific question with respect to your specific technical development that is made easily available in our guidance videos of respective technical fields. Rule number 2. Do not worry about accuracy. Just answer whatever you feel correct and confident. Answer rationally, answer thoughtfully, answer logically. Rule number 3. Be patient. Pateomatic might seek your time that it deserves to make your future rewarding. Basically, there are 5 primary questions to substantiate the legal definition of your invention. In addition, there are certain questions, those are ancillary and for the sake of compliance requirements. Therefore, be patient, do patent.